Hi, today we were combining our ungrouping and subtraction stuff with our knowledge of coins and money. They're combined in this unit. Today in class we were practicing using hundreds, tens, and ones of cents to buy certain things at a yard sale, and that's what the homework has today. So for example, if you have $1.24 or 124 cents is the same thing as one full dollar and 24 cents, just like that. If you had that much money and you wanted to buy, say, the eraser, which cost 79 cents, one really important thing about this is we need to make sure we're lining our units up correctly. So our ones are lined up right here, and our tens and our hundreds. And it also helps to point out the decimal always needs to line up. So if you're working with dollars, your 79 cents does not have a full dollar. So 0 full dollars, 7 tens, and 9 ones. And then from here, it should look pretty familiar. We're just going to continue with our subtraction. So if you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there isn't enough for you to take 9 away from that. So what should you do? Well, you have to ungroup. So you look over at your tens. Fortunately, you have more than one 10. You can, well, you just need at least one, but you have two. You can take one of your tens, which would leave you with one 10. Now, you had 4 ones, and you're adding a 10 to it. Some kids are getting confused and they're adding a 1. But you're not just taking a 1, you're adding a 10. So you need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that will end up giving you 14. Ooh, there you go. Oopsie. Okay. Another key thing is you need to make sure that you wrote down that you crossed out one of your tens and you only have one left. That's really important. Now you have 14 ones, and you want to take away 9, so we'll cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you end up with 5. So you can put that 5 right there. And you have 1 10, and you wanted to take away 7 tens, and you realize you don't have enough for that. If you only have 1, you can't take 7. So, fortunately, you have 100. So, you can take your 100 cents. You don't have any left. And 100 cents is the same thing as 10 dimes. It's another way to make a dollar. So, if you have your 10 dimes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you had this one over here, you still have that. Don't forget that one. So now you have one more for a total of 11 tens. Now you have enough where you can actually take your 7. So let's cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You end up with 4 remaining, and you've already used that 100, and we did mark it, so we didn't forget about it, and you don't have any hundreds to take away, so you're fine with that, and you end up getting 45 cents. If you're noticing that your child is trying to use their fingers, that's totally fine, because as we're going through these problems, we're working with tens a lot, and I've noticed that some kids, they know, like 5 plus 5 is 10, but it's not coming automatically to some of the kids that if you have 10 and you take away 5, you end up with 5 left. So if they're using their fingers and they have their 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can have them put out all their 10 fingers and even let them borrow your fingers if they need to, and then have them move a whole 5 out of the picture, and they're ending up with another hand of 5. So yeah, please keep reviewing the basic math facts, and make sure that you're not discouraging finger use, because right now they're tools and they're very important for our accuracy and making sure we're doing things correctly. So good luck, and if you have any questions, email me or send me a text message, and have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.